the Jbl Flip 3. What's up guys, today we're going to be unboxing the Jbl Flip 3. Here it kind of shows you a little bit about what it can do, usage wise, limits, stuff that's nice to know. A really nice feature I like is the Jbl Connect. And then of course it's splash proof, so you don't have to worry about it getting wet. Just don't submerge it completely in water. As you see here, got a party going on. Oh yeah. Here we've got it. Nice little cover saying Flip 3 on it. Underneath this, it's going to give you your orange charging cable, Jbl Flip 3, and an instruction manual and warranty information. It's actually a nice little cable. It's tangle proof supposedly, but knowing me, there's no such thing as tangle proof when it comes to wires, so we'll have to see how that goes. Here we've got, of course, all the instruction manuals telling you that you can't submerge it in water, don't charge it when it's been wet, stuff like that. It's got different connection features and handy dandy stuff. Of course, right here you've got the actual Flip 3 itself. Come on, there you go. There it is. I love the radiators, base radiators, passive radiators, whatever you want to call them. They're awesome. Really help low end when you don't have subwoofers. First of all, I want to say this thing looks great. The attention to detail is mind-blowing. Here you've got your Bluetooth volume button, call button, power, Jbl Connect, auxiliary and power input, and then right here is the status for the battery level. And then this can also be used as a pause and play button, and you can actually use it for Siri or whenever you say OK Google, which is a nice little feature that it has. Of course, I love the little mesh design on here. It's sturdy. Beautiful, beautiful. And I love how you've got this little string right here. Makes it handy. You can just carry it around. You know, swing it. Whee, here I go. Okay. Anyway, it's a nice little speaker. It's fun to mess with. Now, let's get to the hearing part of it. That was just a couple of a little bit of songs I got. I don't want to get any copyrights going on, so just played a couple of different songs. Of course, NCS, I don't have to worry about with copyright issues, as you can see. But anyway, I thought I'd just show you a little sound test, because a lot of people say, oh, what's the use of doing a sound test? It's not going to matter, really, if you don't have a good mic, or if we don't have good headphones or audio source to listen to it with. But you know what? Some people like it, some people don't. It doesn't really matter to me, but I figured I'd just do it for y'all. So thanks for watching the Jbl Flip 3 unboxing. Let's see if we can get to 20 thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a great day.